Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add notes to references in your Mendeley library, as well as how to read and annotate PDFs. First we'll start in the Mendeley web library. Click on a reference that we want to add notes for, and then click on this Notes tab to the right, and simply start typing a note. Anything you want to say about this article or notes as you've read through it, and you'll see it has saved this note. Next, if we go to Mendeley Desktop, we'll click Sync. We can also add notes again by clicking this Notes tab. And that note that we entered on the web version shows up here. And we could add more and it would sync back and forth. So if you're not able to access your desktop application, you can still add notes and read your articles from the web version. And then they will sync to the desktop later. Next, while we're here in Mendeley Desktop, we will scroll down on the right to the PDF, click on that, and it opens in a new window, tab, and we can then highlight. We can highlight certain text, just like that. We could then also add a note to this if we want. So we've highlighted this, we could say why we think this is important. So we will have that for later. You can change the color of the highlighting. You can do many things in here. Now we can do the same thing in the web version as well. We go back to our Details tab about this article, click on the PDF, and again we could highlight. And this is also that notes feature. Same thing. Now, if we go back to Mendeley Desktop, and we'll go to My Library, we'll hit Sync. And we'll take a look at this PDF again. And those highlights and notes that I did in the web version have also showed up here, so it translates back and forth those as well. So that's pretty much it as far as adding notes and reading PDFs. It's a very helpful feature in Mendeley. Thank you.